Good morning, 8th grade. This is Tuesday, and again, if you do not want to do a lesson today, that's no problem. You don't have to do today's lesson. You can jump back and do 2 lessons on Friday. So it's nothing really to me how you do this. You just do the lessons in order that they come, though. Don't skip today's lesson and jump to tomorrow's lesson on tomorrow. But you can just keep doing lessons one day at a time, and you'll just have to do one on Friday. But if you don't want to do one today, when Mr. Wagler is here, you can just push this one off and do it on Wednesday, and then Wednesday you'll push off till Thursday, Thursday you'll push off till Friday, and then you have to do 2. I don't know if that makes sense or not. If you got any questions, give me a call. I think I will give you some answers again. It's about time to check some lessons. Lesson 7, you did that one, so let me give you those answers. So you check that out. That's the first page, 27. Next page is 28. And now I'll give you 29. I hope you can stop your videos so you can check this. If not, you're going to have a hard time. I'm not giving you much time. And I think there's still one more yet. And if anybody made 100, be sure to call me. And you do not have to count that problem, that logic problem. It would be problem 23. Put it right up close so you can get that answer. You do not have to count it wrong. Great. Some of you called me about it. Great. I'm glad that you were interested in it. But that will not be counted wrong if you miss it. And if you made below an 80%, yeah, you got to redo it. That's just the way this works. So, I am ready for today's lesson 8. On page 31, rounding off according to significant digits. And now maybe you thought, if you remember that other lesson, you thought, what in the world will I need this for? Well, today we're going to take that and put it into real life. So I put some problems up here on the board. It's like the first part that you have there. And what we will be doing is we will be finding the significant numbers in these problems, and then we will turn around and round them to the smallest one. So let's just do this one right here. I used the black marker for my subtraction problem, and I have 16.79. I subtracted 0.75. If you notice over here on the side in these circle boxes, this one had 4 significant numbers. This one had 2 significant numbers, and that means in my answer I will round it to the 2 significant numbers. Okay, so when I've subtracted this, you'll just work it like normal. Use your calculator, that's a fast way. 16.4. But I need to round this number to 2 significant numbers. Okay, because that's the smallest one in this problem. So this answer is actually 16. Ooh, can you get my marker to work? Can you see that? 16. I rounded this 16.04, just 16. I dropped off the decimal. And that was no problem. Over here I have a times problem. And this is 30 times 458. There were 3 significant digits in the top number. There was only 1 in the bottom number. That means I will round my answer to only 1 significant number. So if you look here, I had 13,000, I better put a comma there, 13,740. I will only need 1 significant digit. So this answer will actually be 1, and you look at the next number. Is that 5 or bigger? No. So I drop it. 0, 0, 0, 0. That's your answer for there. There's only 1 significant number. That means round it to that number. Okay, let's do 2. Did you know, I didn't, yeah, I did. Did you know that you can get significant numbers in division problems and round them as well? You certainly can. In the divisor, there's 2 significant numbers. And in the dividend, there are 4. So that means that I will round my quotient to the nearest two digits. I was like you, I did it the simple way. The calculator said it was 23, remainder 52. Didn't you know? Does your calculator give you remainders? Got you on that one. Well, answer books give you remainders. And so 23, remainder 52, I wanted to round it to the smallest one, which is 2. Two significant numbers. So I look at 23, and your calculator is going to say 0.52, but I don't know what it's going to say. It's going to say something. But 52 is bigger than half, so that will make my answer at 24. I will round it to 24. Okay? Because two numbers, two numbers. Now my green one, you see my green example here? This green one is 32.0, 293 point, 46.38, and 60. Okay, there's 3 significant numbers here, 3 here, 4 here, but only 1. That means I will round my answer to 1 significant number. I have 431, so I will round it to 1 significant number. Now it's not 4, okay? Don't think I will need to round this to 400. You see, I still have to put my zeros, but they are not significant. They are not counting as significant numbers. So I left it at 4. And then the rest of these are all zeros. Of course, I dropped off the ones behind the decimal point. You will do your first part just like this. Fill in the box in the front. So I'll help you with one of them. Let me see here. Let's just do number 1. 3,400 and 348. So you got a little square box there behind it. On that 3,400, there are 2 significant numbers. Those other 2 zeros, you remember the rules, they do not count. So there's 2 significant numbers there. On 348, that's pretty hard. Can you tell me? Yeah, 3, right. So I figured I subtract that, and I use my calculator, and when I am done, I will only put 2 significant numbers in my answer. Now there may be some zeros there, that's fine, you can put those in, but only 2 significant, which would be, my book shows 3,052. Is that what your calculator says? 3,052. And I need 2 significant numbers. Okay, so I will look at this number here, and then I look 2. I need these 2 here, and then I look back here and I say, oh, that's 5 or bigger. So I've got 3,100. I rounded this number for 2 significant numbers. Yes, you enjoy your lesson, and have a good day.